So, what's up, guys? We're here back with another trade recap, and this is the last one I will do for phase one because phase one it's now passed officially, and yeah, this was kind of a stressful trade. So let's go right into it. It was just a one-to-one, which was enough to make me pass because again we're risking only 2%, so this was a plus 2%, making me pass the account eventually. The day I still don't have the other account because I need to wait for the end of this day so I can make 3 profitable days because that's one of the rules of Fivers. I need to, which is I don't know if you knew, but it was the account I am actually going for. I need to make 3 profitable days, which are I need to close at least with 0.5% profit, which I did here. So yeah, only at the end of the day I will do that, and only at the end of the day I will eventually get the account, so I can probably start seeing other setups tomorrow. So let's see how I ended up trading this. So this trade was taken yesterday, which was Monday, as you can see. If you look at this, the bias was bearish. This was the target I had, which was 50% of the fair value gap, but again, this doesn't hold a lot of value to me. Like, it's a good target, but it's only for a catalyst for a pullback, meaning it's just going to tap it and then retrace and then continue. And this was probably why it was so stressful, because as you can see, we tapped there and we retraced, and let's see what happened. At the time of my trade, as you can see, the 4 hours looking great. I entered during this trade. I don't believe I waited for the closure. Yeah, I don't think, yeah, this candle wasn't closed yet. But still, this was bearish because we didn't have any market shift. On a 1 hour, this was the candle that made me execute. This was just, I was seeing that this was impulsive, then small pullback with small candles, then a big impulsive candle. So what do I thought to myself? Yeah, this is a done deal. Like, this candle is just going to do this and continue to move lower. And unfortunately, that didn't happen. What happened was this, so it moved lower, eventually tapped the 50%, so to the pip, I believe. I don't know if it actually tapped it. This is actually so beautiful. This is what I say when that I love trading. Like, look at this. How close was this to tap? Like, this really tapped the 50% and went. So then we moved higher. We went again to this order block. And yeah, at this point, it was almost the end of the day. So yeah, at the end of the day was like here when I stopped looking at the charts. So yeah, it was looking good here, but let's see how the 4 hours was, because as you can see, that candle, it's this one. So what I didn't want to happen was this closing above here, making a market shift. So yeah, it doesn't look that bad on the next 4 hours. So base yourself on the vertical line, don't just so this doesn't happen. So on this candle here, it was already looking a little bit better. And then today, when I woke up, I saw this, and it was really near my take profit, so I was kind of sad seeing that it had retraced all the way here. And yeah, I was looking at this 4 hour candle here, this one, and this was looking trash. This was looking like it was going to close above, and I even mentioned this on my forecast. On this morning, that this candle could be just a candle with a big tail, and I will eventually show it to you. Just so here is the forecast of today, which was here on the 4 hours. I mentioned I'm still on this trade at the moment. The 4 hours is looking bearish, and it would look pretty bad if the 4 hour had made a market shift, but I can still see this being a big tail for a bearish candle, and this was exactly what happened, as you can see here. And then we went into take profit. But this was really a stressful trade because at this candle I thought it was going to be a stop loss, and at this candle I thought it was going to be a stop loss. So it was 2 times that this trade actually stressed me out. But yeah, in the end of the day, we ended up hitting the target, and with this passing phase 1. So let's go into phase 2.